Umngeni ugotshwa usemanzi. The tree is better bent while it's still wet. This is our 900-hectare outdoor classroom.
From the minute you enter the gates, you've already sold Umngeni Valley.
The warmth you sense, the energy is what makes Umngeni Valley.
We have a lot of activities, basically tap into each and every ecosystem that we want.
It's different from a classroom setting. You are touching something, you are feeling it, it's in front of you. It's an all-round sensory experience. I think that excites the learners. If you see something and you can touch it, you gain more knowledge.
We use nature as real-life, practical example of solving environmental issues.
Our outdoor classroom is perfect because the kids are learning while they're having the time of their life.
Kids are like sponges. Whatever you give to them, they take in. What better way to making it fun for them? In that way, they remember it for life.
We as the teachers value the programs. It's everything students do in the classroom, they get a practical experience. So for them to come out here and do practically rather than seeing it in a textbook is something that they are then able to perform well in a test situation or in an exam situation.
Even though we say we're an outdoor classroom, we still offer a lot indoors as well. We have it all.
Right from government schools through to private schools, we are catering for the entire schooling system in this country.
With this new program that is called eSTEM, we use the environment to teach science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
We use nature to suck creativity out of the future engineers and environmentalists of tomorrow.
Waking up, taking a walk, you're just awestruck at the incredible beauty of nature and seeing the Howick Falls in full water.
The Zulu people call it Gaza, the place of the tall one. We have our own view here on site.
The educators in this centre are passionate people. They are 100% involved.
We're very diverse in terms of culture, in terms of languages.
Everyone comes with a similar vision, having the spirit of Ubuntu, coming together, working together. Our passion reflects to the groups that come here.
It will be a pity if you come on the reserve and then you leave as you are. When you leave these premises, you must have learned something. Something must have changed. Either it's about yourself or it's about the way that you perceive the environment.